Today we have one of my favorites, a beautiful wine from Lombardia called Carifrati Brolatino. Now the grape varietal is Turbiana de Lugana from, obviously, Lugana, Lake Lugana, and it's just fantastic and delicious. So let's give it a first sip.
Well, let's take a second to say Lake Lugana, Lake Garda. Lake Garda, the province is Lugana. So Lake Garda to the north part is closer, obviously. Northwest corner will be close to Normandy, and then moves on to the Veneto region. So geographically speaking, is a perfect zone to produce white wines. So our first sip is.
So, beautiful color, my God, beautiful, vibrant,
And the weight is also fantastic.
On the nose, you almost get honeysuckle. It's the first thing I smell.
Orange blossoms, peach, apricot.
Yeah.
It's just the most enticing aroma.
Oh my goodness. One of my favorites still. This really beautiful stone fruit.
All the
Right.
flavors just sort of come together. It's the same nose, but if you combine them and put them in your palate, really good acidity, but beautiful weight, extremely European style of wine for sure. What were you thinking would be good with it?
Ooh, any kind of fish, scallops, and foie gras. Really kind of, I think, richer white fish or
I see it with lake fish too, like a trout would be great. Yeah, trout, like just like beautiful grilled trout, and this. We're back in Lake Garda.
Yes. Yeah.
Awesome. Anything else you want to add to the flavors?
Well, this one actually, they make an entry level, and this one actually gets to see a small amount of oak on it. So I think it just really adds that nice little bit of weight to, an already beautiful one.
Yes, it adds that extra layer, extra dimension to it that carries through. The finish is just absolutely gorgeous and
Deliciously Reid's.